smells so awful. This place needs some serious cleaning. Man. I must do something. I must do something here on a serious note, yeah? What do you think, guys? What do you think? It needs some cleaning. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Village Mom Vlogs is simply a channel whereby I give you lifestyle videos and more vlogs from Kakamega County. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned, watch this video until the end, and if you find it interesting, kindly give it a thumbs up, also share and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So today I'm just going to show you how I organize and clean my fridge. So I was asked to do this video by one of my subscribers. Yeah, so I'm not going to disappoint her, so I decided to do this video. Current state of my fridge. to balance. Let me try to balance this stuff. Yeah, so I have my kienyeji mboga here. Another kienyeji mboga here. So I'll put vegetables on one side so that I just know this one's vegetable, this one. So that is another vegetable. They can't fit here 4. It's supposed to be 4. Where is the other one? Here. So here is another vegetable. But I thought itakaa pending hapa chini kwanza. So I go to githeri. I love githeri. My love for githeri. Look at it. So this is githeri. Over here there's another githeri. That is another githeri. It's supposed to be that one. So this is another githeri. Thank God they are fit there. 3. So we are going to plain beans. I also have some plain beans. So I'll put one plain beans here. They're supposed to be, there's so many. Another, this is basically plain beans. Let me show you guys. So this is just plain beans. I love beans a lot. Put it there. So another plain beans over here. So another plain beans over here. So I also have green grams. So this is my green gram. Put one there. So I think this one, I should put it here. Then I still have more githeri. I don't know where this one will go to. Let me see if it will fit. So this is dengu. I think I'll just put it somewhere else. So I still have this mboga kienyeji. Let me show you how this part looks like. So this side I have my mbogas. In fact, this mboga has intruded our privacy. So this side I have beans. Here I have my githeri, my mbogas, and then my plain beans. This thing I just had to squeeze it over there. It's not looking neat. So there we go. So now let's come down here. So I have these are mangoes. They're smelling so nice. So my mangoes, they'll go here. Because ni mzito. So my mangoes will be there. Then we have more of this vegetable. have this ndengu that haikupata space hapo juu, so I'll put it here again. So I have lots and lots of githeri. This one is still githeri. So I use these tins, prestige tins. I don't throw them away. They are really helpful. So more githeri here. I have lots and lots and lots of githeri. We still have more githeri over here. So leftovers, like this is sukuma wiki. So this leftover, nazwa ubaya haina kifuniko. I'll use a cling film. I'll put it over there. I have these, so I'll have them there. I'll cover them later. Look for their lids or covers. These are my mandazis. Mandazi. So this is how my fridge looks like currently. So we are going to put tomatoes over here. So I've kept here my tomatoes. I'm told you're supposed to put them inside a plastic bag so that they stay fresh for longer. So I'm going to look for lids. I don't know where I've thrown them. I'm going to look for the 2 lids, then I cover those. So I hope you like it. Let me know on the comment section what you think.